you say?
I said Anush.
Anush. What does that mean?
Anush means, because I'm speaking Armenian to my babies.
Mm-hmm.
So when they burp or, fart or something, I go Anush, which means like, I hope that was delicious.
I hope that was delicious.
I hope like whatever made you do that was delicious.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
Not that
I
the
see.
fart was delicious.
No. Like I hope like I know that you're belching because you ate something. Like I hope it was good.
Oh,
and
I
that's
like that.
That's
Yeah.
Anush. Okay.
Anush.
I'm going to use that